Going short. Understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, going short. This is a common phrase used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help in both everyday and professional English usage. Let's dive in. The phrase, going short, originally comes from the financial sector, particularly stock trading. To go short means to sell a security or commodity that one does not own, with the expectation that its price will fall. The seller plans to buy it back at a lower price. In finance, going short is a strategy where investors sell stocks they don't own. They borrow the stock, sell it, and then buy it back at a lower price. This is a speculative strategy based on the belief that the stock's price will decline. Outside of finance, going short can be used more broadly to mean taking a position or stance that anticipates a decrease or reduction in something. For example, one might say they are going short on sugar if they plan to reduce their sugar intake. In everyday language, the term can be used metaphorically or humorously. For example, someone might jokingly say they are going short on patience when they are running out of patience in a given situation. So, there you have it. The phrase, going short, is a versatile term with roots in finance but has broader applications in everyday language. Whether you're discussing stocks or simply talking about cutting back on something, this phrase can be a useful addition to your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been informative.